Hey all, welcome. We're going to be looking at a SAT math practice question. This is an algebra question, linear algebra, a question which involves converting information given in words and sentences into mathematical equations and solve for it, right? We have a system of two linear equations in two variables. That's what we're going to be solving. Before we get started, have you subscribed to this channel? So awesome. If not, please subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. So every time we upload a video, which could be a practice question like this, or it could be a SAT prep tips and strategies, you would get notified of the same. Let's get started with this question. A food truck sells hamburgers for $8 each and hot dogs for $5 each. So each hamburger it's selling for $8 and each hot dog for $5. On Saturday, the truck sold a total of 95 items. Hamburgers plus hot dogs taken together, they've sold 95 items and made $640 in the process. What we need to find out is the number of hamburgers they sold. Let's just put this all in perspective. Hamburgers, hot dogs, these are the two things that the food truck sells. Let's assign variables. Numbers sold on Saturday, X of hamburgers and Y of hot dogs. So they sell X hamburgers, Y hot dogs on Saturday. What we need to find out is the number of hamburgers sold. So we're trying to find out what is this value of X. How many items did they totally sell? They sold a total of 95 items on Saturday. So number of hamburgers plus the number of hot dogs together should be equal to 95. So X plus Y equals 95. We got the first equation already in place. How much do they sell it for? The cost of each hamburger is $8. The cost of each hot dog is $5. So they sell one, they're going to fetch $8. They sell 10, they'll get $80. They're selling X of these hamburgers. So they're going to get 8 times X. 8X is the revenue from hamburgers. How much do they make from hot dogs? From one hot dog, $5. 10 of them they would have got $50. 2 of them they would have got $10. Why they are going to get $5Y? So revenue from hamburgers plus revenue from hot dogs will be the total revenue that they made, the amount they made on that day, which is equal to 640. So we get the second equation also in place. So amount realized by sale of hamburgers plus amount realized by sale of hot dogs is the total amount they made, which is 8x plus 5y equals 640. We have two equations, two variables. We're going to be using the method of elimination, which is the easy way to solve these equations. Let's multiply the first equation by a 5 and subtract it from the second equation. So 8x plus 5y is equal to 640 is the second equation. We'll go to the first equation. 5 times this is 5x plus 5y, 5 times of x plus y. So 5x plus 5y is equal to 5 times 95, which is equal to 475. So I'm going to take this equation and write it below this. So 5x plus 5y is equal to 475. So this is 5 times the first equation. Subtract the first 5 times the first equation from the second equation. 8x minus 5x will leave us with 3x. 5y and 5y will cancel to leave us with a 0. 640 minus 475 is equal to 165. So this is what we have. 3x equals 165. X is equal to 165 by 3, which is equal to 55. What is X? Just go back. X is the number of hamburgers sold, which is what we need to find out. So they sold a total of 55 hamburgers on that Saturday. Choice D is the correct answer to this question. Left you with a bonus question. Try this bonus question, which is also a system of two linear equations in two variables. Frame this information as an equation, solve the equations and find out the answer. Just watch out, just worded it a little differently. I'll read out the question for you. A shop sells 5 more erasers than pencils one day, right? Kind of make sense of it. How many variables do you need? Do you need 2 or can you work with 1? You probably may be able to work with just one variable and get to the answer. If each eraser costs 50 cents and each pencil costs 30 cents and the shop made $18.5 from sale of erasers and pencils, how many erasers did the shop sell on that day is what the question is. I also told you the conversion between $1 and a cent. 100 cents is equal to $1, right? These are the 4 answer options. Solve, find the answer for the variable and check out is the variable, the answer to the value for the variable is what you need to find out. If not, find out the correct answer and mark it. Post your answers to the comment section of this video. I'll verify and let you know whether your answers are right and also give you a solution in the comment section. Okay?